Finally, the alert for VeChain, what we added in video, if you didn't skip in April, finally triggered. So over the months, we need to see the money inflow on the daily time frame in VeChain. That's why, guys, I hope you not rush and waited that signal. We go in here to the money power, and this is a weekly, this is a daily. So I always recommend you guys, no rush and just wait some confirmations, some more reason to buy or open the trade. Here I could not see the entry, for spot position, because when we build something like this order flow, it's usually not a bullish one, because like you can see, we don't have that impulsive move. And impulse, we need to see some like this one, for example. We like drop, and after that the B candles down. Now we just consolidate in a tiny range. It was just a range even on the weekly time frame and a daily, 25%. And imagine in 1 week, last week, so we dump and erase all of that pumps. That's why here there was no money inflow. Last one was here in March 28th, and it was a logical entry. We drop, grab liquidity, this one, bounce higher, and with the money inflow, with RSI bullish divergence, with the MACD bullish divergence, it was a logical entry, at least even on the next day. It was 23%. With stack leverage around the 46. After that, there was no signals to buy. That's why only now, yesterday we got that alert. We saw the signal money inflow. No, nothing new. So the latest news was in April. So now this is a bullish signal. Let's break it down, the smart money concept zones. What do we can see here? This is a bearish. We can close the money power indicator. This is a bullish break of structure after this candle. 1, 2, 3, 4 days, 5, even 5 days we traded over that high, and after that we just broke it down. So now this is a bearish momentum. What I personally wish to see, just to be honest, sweep this low again. Why? Because here's was a stop loss, grab liquidity. Now this one, it looks this similar story to grab the liquidity before the upside move. The worst case, of course, guys, if we just consolidate like this one all summer, and after that, just a waste of time, and maybe in August we just sweep the liquidity and go higher to the daily imbalance zone, the gap, and a higher one. But like you remember, I'm not also explaining, I'm not rushing, because on a weekly, we can form like 3 drives pattern, 1, 2, 3, and test the weekly gap. That's why spot position, I'm not buying. I don't know, maybe over the year. I'm not touching any spot position, just a local speculation. Here was a weekly bearish break of structure. So just to be honest, guys, yes, I wish to see the market up, right? But it was so predictable. So exactly after that, Donald Trump going back to the United States, or I guess he will go back today, we go down. So all that price movement was priced in before the Donald Trump and the CCP meeting. All right, so under, you saw the gap. This one. This is a huge weekly gap. So that's why, guys, no rush to open any long position. Now I don't see any setup for the long. Let's turn on the order blocks and liquidity. I don't think so. We're going to drop to the order block. This one, like 0.204. Monthly, once again, weekly favorable gap and the monthly order block. So unfortunately, guys, yes, these levels like 0.2056 until even 0.2031 is going to be the test zone, I guess, May or June. So this is it, guys. If we talk about the daily one, I repeat again, I don't see any setup for the long. That's why sometimes, guys, better wait, no rush. And anyway, all main targets above also will be reached, I guess, by time. But firstly, we need to, I think, drop to the favorable gap on a weekly down. ADZ direction. Weekly, this is accumulation, but I think we'll form the bigger the variance. This is some slow accumulation on the weekly. So big whales, you saw a lot of news, I think, about a BTC. So every single drop on a BTC, the whales just absorb that drops. So they accumulate as much as possible Bitcoin. The same story, I guess, will be just for speculation. Maybe the BTC, they accumulate for some main purpose, right? But the alts, I think they accumulate just for speculative reason to distribute it a little bit later and out into USDT. That's why daily, once again, guys, I don't see any setup for the long. It was a momentum, 23%. You could get it on a spot, even the 46 with the second leverage, 46. With third leverage, you could get over than 100%. So it's a good gains, 100% on this cycle. Direction, guys, no signals to buy. So highly recommend you just add alert and track, because some alerts maybe took time. Here it was the Monday 20, April 2026, and the Monday 18 in May, after over the months, almost the months, we come back and finally see the money inflow. The same story will be with the take profit here. Buy signal was here. It was a bounce, recommendation, close position. All these three last signals to sell position was in not in row 7, 9, and 11. 3 days in a row, it was a close position. Weekly time frame, still nothing. No signals to sell. That's why, guys, for me personally, this is for summer will be the best option, right, for reversal move. All right, let's close that trade on. Take profit in the market mode. Let me check. Finally, also take a look. If you track it before, you could see first this one, a free zone. It was obvious time to sell. That's why I always recommend you guys to track everything in complex. If you would like to use this set, find the link on the description below. This is a capitulation disbelief, so soon I guess we will see the accumulation. The last flash crash, and honestly, I wish to see finally that flash crash on the alts. I'm not sure about a BTC. I don't think so. We will drop to the 50K now. But this is what the best option, personally for me. Drop to the buy line. Not necessarily so exactly to this level, like 0.2048, because the lines are dynamic. So maybe we're going to drop like this one to 0.20553 and reversal move. So this is a way what I'm waiting. That's why let's add alert to the buy line. Add alert to the buy line and wait it. So we will be one step ahead of other traders. And no, guys, no makes sense to add alert now to the price level like this one. No, the lines are dynamic. And it can be the lower in the next few days. It can be the higher. That's why you need to add alert to the line, exactly to the line, to the buy line or take profit line or fundamental value or the exit line, whatever we want to track. Market's more in the disbelief, so it's more logical time to accumulate it if you like to. But anyway, wait. Daily time frame we reject perfectly at 100 EMA. So after the new low, I guess we'll see the test of after that at 200 EMA. Now it's at 110.05. Long-term targets, guys, you remember. Weekly time frame, 50 EMA. This is what I wish to see. Of course, I can be wrong, guys. I wish to see something like this one. And August, maybe September, climb it to the 50 EMA. After that, to the 100 and 200. So that's it. Guys, write please in a comment what you think about VeChain. If you'd like to trade, as my customer could say, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.